you think here? Start with point slope form. Start with the first line.
Y minus negative 7 equals negative 1 times x minus 4.
Beautiful. Okay, and then that double negative should become a positive. Nice job. Okay. All right, what are we going to do next? Emmanuel, what are we going to do now that we've got our point slope form?
You have to, I forget what's called.
What, can you tell me what it's
Distribute.
called? Distribute. Okay, so what's your answer going to look like when you distribute a negative 1?
Negative 1 x plus 5.
4. What's
Oh,
1
plus
times
4.
Yeah,
Oh.
multiplying.
1 times 4, yeah.
There you go. Okay, so we have y plus 7. Still on the other side. Is everybody okay there?
Yeah.
Okay, Chloe, what are we going to do next?
You subtract.
Good job, Emmanuel.
No,
Okay, so what'd you do, Chloe?
Wait, I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Okay, because I didn't even. I set it up like the last one, so I did I got I don't even know, negative. I just did it for.
You did what? Okay, did you
Like the numbers, for the distributing part, I had put. So yeah.
You put the 1 here and the 4 here?
Yeah.
Okay, but your slope has to go up here.
Okay.
So it's x minus x. So your x value goes here, and your slope needs to go out here. Okay, so y sticks with the y, x sticks with the x. Okay? All right, so then we're going to subtract the 7, right? So we subtract 7. So we get y equals negative 1x minus 3. Are we good there? Okay. All right, so now when we're graphing this, where are we going to start at? Guadalupe, where do we start this at? Okay, good. So I'm going to start down. 1, 2, 3. So I'm starting at negative 3. And then how do I do a slope of negative 1? Okay, Kevin?
Good. Down 1.
That's right. Down 1, right 1. Because it's negative 1 over 1. So down 1, right 1. Okay, so make sure you get your grid there. And then draw your line. Okay. All right, does anybody have a question on that?
Oh, I see what it is.
See what you did wrong?
It's negative 4 times negative 1. I put negative 4
Okay.
by accident. So.
All right, so example 3 here. Okay, so now in this case, they give us a coordinate point, but they actually give us 2 coordinate points, don't they? What don't we have? What's the information we don't have? Slope. Do we know how to find slope given 2 coordinate points? Yeah, so we're just going to find slope. That's going to be the only extra step. That's it. And then it'll be exactly the same as what we just did, okay? So over here off to the side, okay, find slope first. That's the first thing you want to do. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you the slope formula just to kind of remind you. Y2 minus Y1, X2 minus X1. Okay? Okay, so find the slope first. All right, who thinks they can set up the slope formula here for me? Okay, Emma, what do you think?
Negative 8 plus negative 12 over 4 plus 1.
Good, minus negative. Okay, that's good. Okay, so she's got negative 8 minus 12, so negative 20. And then on the bottom here, I ended up having a double negative. She said 4 plus 1, because there was a double negative there. And we end up with 5. So what is negative 20 divided by 5? Negative 4. Okay. Now, guys, we have the slope. We have a coordinate point. We actually have 2 coordinate points. We're good to go. Now, it does not matter which coordinate point you pick. All right? So I'm just going to pick the first one. But if you want to pick 4, negative 8 and use it, you will get the same answer. It doesn't matter which one you pick. Okay? When you do all the math, your answer will be the same. All right, so looking at this, I'm going to have y minus, my y value is 12, equals my slope is negative 4, x minus my x value, which is negative 1. Okay, so obviously the double negative there on the x is going to become a plus. All right, now what are we going to do next here? Good, distribute. So y minus 12 equals negative 4x minus 4. We distribute to both parts. And then what would we do?
Add 12.
Add the 12 over. Very good. So I get y equals negative 4x plus 8. Okay, so this is what I'm going to then graph. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that problem off like to the equation and we're gonna stop. The bell's getting ready to ring, okay?
It doesn't go up to